Welcome to Portugal! I'm so excited to eat. Every inch of this place makes me really excited. I love every bits and pieces of Portugal. Beautiful. Bridge number 1. It started raining. Such a cry, baby. It's so beautiful. Oh my god! Welcome to Portugal. This is actually my view from my room. I am in Porto. It's the second largest city in Portugal, and I want to try that boat. Done my makeup, my hair is cooking. I need to dress up. I'll just show you. I'm not sure if my hair is gonna be like this. Let me just change real quick and we'll go on our way. Bye! This a dream. Oh my god. Are you for real? Am I actually seeing this view? I'm in another planet. I'm being so overacting, but girl. Everywhere you go, it's like there's barbecue. Like on the street like this. Here also. Oh my god. I'm so excited to eat. Been starving. Okay, officially, welcome to Portugal. Oh my god, this is just so nice. Every inch of this place, like every corner, makes me really excited. The music is everywhere. I just love my outfit for it. Just finished my lunch, a heavy lunch, and I thought it was already 5 p.m. but since it's 2 hours behind Doha, so I magically got 2 hours extra of my time that I can spend in this beautiful city. I don't want to repeat myself over and over, but oh my gosh, I love every bits and pieces of Portugal. Oh my god, look, I was in the city, like in the land, and just behind it or in front of it, you will see people just swimming in the beach, like without entrance fee. And on the other side, it's like the yacht club. One more thing, the weather is so nice. It feels like it's sunny, but the wind that's hitting me right now, it's so cold. It's like, it's perfect. I've changed into the night outfit. I decided to bring this scarf, so if ever or in case I will be cold, I have it. was actually a scary bridge because look, you can see down there the gaps because the train actually passes by this track, but everyone is just here walking around like nothing. So beautiful. I don't want to go down. But there, I feel like there's a lot more to see from there. It's just the tip of the iceberg. But that is so amazing. I'm gonna go down, check the restaurants, and have the dinner by the river. Full morning. It's my second day in Porto, Portugal. I'm gonna try to join a boat tour. Let's get changed and I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Okay, I just wanted to use this time because I'm waiting for the Uber to ask you if does anyone else feel like yeah, you're having the best moments of your life, but even though you're still gonna be feeling like sad about some things, you don't want to be ungrateful, but there are just like some instances in life that you can just help but think about a lot and like, you know, overthink about it. Yeah, maybe this is just me saying that if you see someone like enjoying themselves like out there, like maybe living, you think they're living their life, do not assume like immediately that they're having like blast. Okay, this is the fit now. Kinder Bueno, please. My hair is so messy now because I'm haggling to buy these cups for €5 and I wanted to buy at 4. It's called Bifana. Let's try it. I'm inside the tourism office here at the port area. I already bought my lantern. You know, this tangled moment is gonna be my first time to light up this one. So I bought a hammer. It's one of the traditions here, like the Portuguese traditions, is to greet the strangers on the streets for like friendship. Fireworks is gonna be at 12 midnight. This is gonna be a 16-minute fireworks. I'm actually facing the Porto area because I'm in the Gaia area. I'm gonna show you. Isn't that so beautiful? I'm gonna look for somewhere to eat right now. It's kind of hot. Also, if you know me, you know that I always lose my mirror. So it's really nice that I have found a souvenir that is a mirror. This is becoming like a haul. I also bought one cap with me. Really nice for €5. I bought some magnets for friends and family and for myself. This is my favorite one. We're just bridge number 1. suddenly when I opened my messages, a lot of things is happening now, like are happening now in Doha. Like the airspace is closed. So I'm so worried right now, like about my flight. Hopefully that time it's all okay. I'm still at the boat. I'm gonna try checking what else I can do because my visa is gonna expire also, so I cannot stay here. Done with the cable car. I don't think I have the video. We're strangers, but yeah. In the sardines land. Everything is a can of sardines and it's really fun. Look. It started raining. To this view. Good morning, day 3. I have my pizza box with me to take to the train. A little cloudy today. I'm gonna rush. I need to rush. Let's go. Is like 3 hours and 10 minutes journey. Paid about 28 euros. And what's cool is that on this train there is also business cabin that you can pay for a much higher price. But this is probably pretty comfortable already. Like I have my leg space, like I feel secured, and most especially I have chosen a seat that has a plug on it so I can charge my phone. See you later.